Today is a very intense project. Let's see if we can't kill ourselves on one Saturday.
Yeah, we are in the place of
All right, honey. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hopefully the audio is half decent on this video. All right, so we are trying to tear up some flooring, as you can see. We're down on the subfloor, and we magically found some underlayment. So we thought that there wasn't any underlayment. But what we're looking for is how sturdy is this flooring that we just bought. So here's a sample piece. Honey, what are you doing?
We're gonna bang it up a little bit.
What for?
See how durable it is.
Just so we can see how long we expect it to last?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure we got something good.
All right, and you found the best thing to test something. What's that? It's a hammer, but it's a toothed hammer, right? It's not a flat end hammer. It's actually got the teeth on the front. Can I see the teeth on the front? Yeah. It's a Harbor Freight hammer that she got me for Christmas because she's awesome and knows where to shop. Okay?
Okay. So far, nothing.
Nothing? So this is a 12 millimeter flooring. Uh-oh, she got a new tool.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
A little ding right there
Okay.
with sharp corners.
But what about the flat part? Okay, what about turn it on its side? Yeah.
Nothing.
Still nothing?
Nothing.
So it basically takes a pointed edge to even touch this flooring that we're getting at Flooring Decor.
We also have grooves in there. You can see that it's already got
Some texture to it.
some texture to it, so
So-
it does help.
Even if some stuff does hit this and make a mark, yeah, show me that.
Two marks right there.
Two little marks right there.
Which, from up here you can see it a little bit, but
But is it just going to kind of blend in? I mean, from this perspective right here, I haven't tried to zoom or anything yet. You can see it starts to get really crummy video, but
we're still gonna be careful. But if our kids don't have crowbars, I think we'll be okay.
yeah, that seems like a pretty high bar to set there, though, hon. Don't let our kids play with pry bars inside the house.
I don't know, they're your kids, so they
That's
might.
true. That's true. That's fair.
Okay, looks good.
So let's tear up a little bit more floor before I run off to the store and see if there's more underlayment. What we think happened is somewhere over here, I'm betting they just ran out. So hopefully there's underlayment under here, and hopefully I need 5 square feet of underlayment.
You can also tell this is where he got tired of
Yes.
going, because this is where the floor just looks really bad.
And this is part of the reason we're even doing this, right? So, and here, for instance, here, the grain of the board goes the other way. So the grain of the floor is all this way, and then all of a sudden there's a piece with the grain going that way. So, yes, you can kind of tell that he got tired here.
Ready to be done.
But there are some other things, he did undercut the door jamb here, and it looks like he undercut the baseboards, or he put in the baseboards afterwards, which I'm trying really hard to avoid tearing out all the baseboards. I'm not sure if it's going to be easier and faster to tear up all the baseboards and reinstall them and recalc and all that other stuff, or just buy and install a whole bunch of quarter round. So let's figure out a little bit more of the flooring, where the underlayment is missing, how much we actually need to buy, if any, and then go from there. Thanks for joining us. We have a lot of other projects planned. We are trying really hard to get this house in a place where we want to live here. We sold a house a couple years ago, and we spent 6 months to a year preparing the house to sell it. As soon as we were done, we were like, well, do we want to sell this? Because we really like it. Or at least what we did to the house. We didn't necessarily like the house, and it wasn't right for our family at that point because we had grown so much. but we felt like all of the nice things we've done to the house, anything that we've replaced or fixed or whatever, why would we move? And then we ended up moving. So we're trying to make this house livable now instead of waiting until we go to sell it to make it all really nice and then leave it again. It just doesn't make sense to us. So let's do it this way instead.
On part of the floor, I'm really hoping there's a lot more over there.
Okay, we'll keep going.
Yeah, okay. Now I'm gonna take a nap, so I'm satisfied.
She found out what she wanted to know. Now, it's time for me to do all the work. So right here in the hallway is where it was actually squeaky, right here. And that's where the pad was missing. So now we know why it was squeaky. Hi. Hi, buddy. Look at that smile. Could it be any better? I don't think so. So I decided to just build a little platform that connects my truck to the garage stairs. So you just walk straight over to the truck and pick up your wood here. Luke, what you doing? You drinking a soda? Hey Luke, can I see your boots? Can I see your boots? Diaper and boots.
And he is funny.
Justin Rhodes, if you do ever watch this video, he has boots on. I don't know where he... Hey! I don't know where he got them, or if somebody helped him put them on, but he found both of his boots. I'm pretty happy about that.
Get her.
whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place to be, yeah,